My expat life allows me the freedom to visit nearby areas and become a weekend warrior. This weekend was no different. I visited Bosque La Primavera. I met up with friends to hike along the Rio Caliente, hot springs. This actually proved to be my first real hike through rugged terrain and shallow waters.
Okay. Nice sauna, huh? Nice spa treatment. We also are finding obsidian.
Yes.
Nice big pieces. We're engineering us a path. If no one provided you stairs, make your own path.
We literally had to engineer our own path. Along the way, we met very nice people and stopped to have talks with them.
Actually, steam coming out of here because it's so hot. It's coming directly out of the mountain.
In my case, when I start working, I see the necessity to speak English as well another language, and actually I try to speak 3 languages, Portuguese too.
Oh wow!
Yeah, Spanish. It doesn't mean that my English is perfect, huh? But
It doesn't. You're great, actually.
you can do it. Yeah.
The waters were healing and time with friends was refreshing. It was a very nice time out. Financial freedom provides time and opportunity.